Hi, I'm Michael Senior. I'm going to take you through the key features of a set of 5 resources for sixth form students. Each resource is about 50 to 70 pages long and incorporates very detailed guidance on how to prepare students for certain degrees. Most of them are covered in the suite of 5. The reason why I commissioned Steve Thomas to be able to produce these is because lots of students ask me to talk through what they need to do to apply for certain degrees. I'd love to have more time for them, and by having these resources printed out for them or on the VLE, I can sort of just quickly say to them, go off and have a look at these resources, and if you've still got questions, come back and see me. And I know that I can trust the resources in terms of the information, and whereas most information tries to keep them within the book or the website, this one just is a one-stop shop. It just links off to loads and loads of different websites that'll be really, really useful for them. I also use them to promote with Year 11 what we do in the sixth form to prepare students for university, and they can kind of like the detailed information they get from these products that we have on offer in the sixth form. So this is the first one. This is the medical theme, dentistry, and you can see there dentistry, medicine, midwifery and nursing. We've got humanities, we've got English, geography, history, law, psychology. Creative over on the right here, art, design, drama and theatre studies. Oxbridge and science, which is the one I'm going to take you through, biology, chemistry, computer science, maths and physics. So the science one is the one I'm going to take you through. You can see here where you've got your sections, biology, chemistry, computer science, maths and physics, roughly sort of 70 pages in length. Each resource always finishes with detailed guidance on writing the personal statement, as well as a step-by-step interview guidance. So here's the chemistry one I'm going to take you through as an example. It always starts off with some key subject pointers with some detailed information about applying for, in this case, chemistry degrees, what they should do in Year 11 in terms of perhaps choosing A-levels, and this would link very much with the Russell Group information. What you'd need to do is to start as early as you can. Lots of hyperlinks here for students to go off and explore more. Then it takes them through the journey early in Year 12, early in January of Year 12. These are just a few pages as shot off there. You can see here that these are pages later on. There's loads and loads of information for them to go through, lots and lots of hyperlinks, subject enrichment activities, what they can do in terms of reading and websites, things they can subscribe to, what books and magazines they might need to look at, what websites they can look at. There's loads of guidance on that for each subject. You can also learn to find out how they can explore careers in that chosen area as well. And then you can see here we move on to computer science and maths and physics. Now each of those will be about a 10 to 15 page section. Then they've got a section on planning and writing an outstanding personal statement, a few images to make it a bit more attractive, but lots and lots of detailed guidance about what they can do in Year 11, what they can do in Year 12, what sorts of activities they can get involved in terms of building up the experiences for the personal statement. Lots of hyperlinks here you can see, and lots of information here about what to put in the personal statement and what not to put in the personal statement. And finishing off on that section, there's also then a university interviews, a step-by-step guide. I won't take you through all of that, but that's another about 10 to 15 pages preparing students for interviews. I hope you think that will be useful. I also use these to promote to Year 11. I take the information from Year 11 out of here, present it in an assembly to them, and then say there'll be more information in Year 12. And it really helps them sort of buy into the fact that when they come into the sixth form, there'll be loads and loads of information about applying for their chosen degrees. You can put this on the VLE, you can print it out for students, you can give the digital resource to tutors to use. It really is up to you how you do it. If you want to order it, you can pay online and download straight away, or you could order it online and pay by invoice, or you can email us and we'll contact your finance department, so that's really easy. And if you've got any queries, just email us at info@seniorpress.co.uk. Hope you found that useful, and thanks very much. Bye now.